Welcome to Local to Global India. Today we are presenting State Bank of India. Bank of India welcomes you to explore the world of Premier Bank in India. In this section, you can access detailed information on the overview of the bank, technology upgradation in the bank, board of directors, financial results, and shareholder info. The bank is actively involved since 1973 in non-profit activity called Community Services Banking. All our branches and administrative offices throughout the country sponsor and participate in large number of welfare activities and social causes. Our business is more than banking because we touch the lives of people anywhere in many ways. Our commitment to nation building is complete and comprehensive. State Bank of India share price on NSE was 213.15. 52-week high was 351.00. 52-week low was 149.45. Lower price band ranges 194.65, whereas upper price band is 237.85. Shareholding summary for State Bank of India is like this. Promoters are holding 57.6%, MF holdings are 13.2%, FII's holdings are 7.9%, other institutions are 11.7%, public holdings are 9.6%. Recent news for SBI are focusing only on retail segment may not be prudent for bank in current scenario, SBI MD said. On 19 September 2020, he said a complete shift to retail may not be in the best interest because if your economy doesn't grow, even your retail at some point of the time would get impacted. State Bank of India Managing Director Arijit Basu said at a virtual event organized by ETBFSI. Second news for SBI is SBI raises Rs 4,000 crore in additional Tier 1 bonds. This is the lowest price ever offered on such debt issued by any bank since the country started implementing stringent Basel III capital rules in 2013. SBI said later in a statement issued to the media. Disclaimer from Local to Global India. Our channel's purpose is to promote homegrown Indian products, food, culture, finance, skills and talent of people to global level. We are following the theme which our Prime Minister said that every Indian has to become vocal for their local. Not only to buy local products but also to promote them proudly. Hence, we are making and publishing videos on homegrown Indian products, food, culture, finance, skills and talent of people to promote on global level. Also, if you want to advertise or promote any of your product or talent, we Local to Global India will help you. You can mail us on localtoglobalindian@gmail.com. Please like, subscribe, share and comment for more videos. Thanks for taking time to read this. Local to Global India.